Heavy, whatever it is. Oh my god, it's an axe!
Police are here now.
And we're getting locked up, aren't we?
I think it's a sword.
Look at that then! Oh my lord! Oh my god, look at the size of that fish! Let's go.
It's the biggest bream I've ever seen.
Right then guys, so as you know around here, we'll attempt any type of fishing on this channel, and today is no exception, because we're doing a bit of magnet fishing. I've been wanting to make this video for absolutely ages, and today is that day. We're going to be throwing this thing in all my local lakes and rivers and things like that, under bridges, seeing what we can find, you know what I mean, should be a good day. And while we're talking about bridges, let me just explain why we're going to be focusing on them. So let's just say guys, you have a criminal. And while the criminal is out doing his criminal thing, look, over there, somebody's seen him.
911.
And now the police are on the way. And now he's getting desperate, and in his desperation, he gets rid of the evidence. Leaving it for magnet fishermen like you and me to come along and find what lies beneath. So that I can put on YouTube is what I meant.
Yeah, we don't win your career and ended up like Jake Paul's. Or Logan Paul, was it?
Yeah. Right, here we go. Let's catch some stuff magnet fishing, shall we?
Yeah!
Oh, we find something good. Nothing. People have to throw stuff off this bridge. Oh, I found something there. Something there. I've got something. Do I have something? Oh, dude! A bottle cap. Not lose it. I wish gold was magnetic.
That's a dog.
Right.
It's right, babe.
We've got something else. A lighter.
Can't go wrong.
I feel like the base of the bridge is like magnetic or something because it keeps getting stuck up there. Nothing. Not looking very good.
We decided to keep going, and then this happened.
Oh, shit, come on. Something heavy on here. definitely heavy on here. What is this? Is it a safe? Could it be a safe? What is that? What is that? What is that? It's like a brake caliper off a car or something.
Yeah, I don't think this is a very good place. I mean,
Yeah.
Chavs has thrown that in.
Yeah, I don't think it is either.
We swiftly moved on and went to go decide where we're going next.
Where are we going now?
We're going to, do you know that bridge near that little motorbike shop near that swimming baths?
Oh yeah, I know what you're on about.
Like little proper dodgy area.
Yeah.
We're going there.
We're gonna get mugged, aren't we?
Probably. But the best bit about the place is we might actually find something worth finding, you know what I mean? So let's get down there.
We arrived at the next location, hoping for the best.
We're recording?
That's what the thumbs up meant.
Alright. What's the phone? There's poo.
Oh.
I don't think we're going to get the push bike.
I don't think we will.
It can stay there. What's that down there? 2 bottle caps already. There's like something over there, but I don't know. Get it right under the bridge and see what comes out. What's that? Stay in there. Something there. That fell off. Got all that. Like magnetic.
This time next year we're going to be millionaires.
Got that in my mouth.
Outtake.
Oh, I've got something. I've got something. What is it?
It's a stick.
It's not. What is that? I think it's for it's off like some scaffolding or something. Scrap is what that is. A couple more throws and we'll go down there a bit more. It's a stick. There's like a wire down there. What we got? We got something. Ah, it fell off. I've got it again. Oh, it fell off again. There, look, right there, look. Right there. But when I pull... Oh, it's moving. Ah, it fell off. It's too heavy. Hey, up. Got you then. There's some proper scrap in here. Like a photo frame. Right, I think we've exhausted this little part of the river. So let's move a bit further down, shall we? Let's keep going.
We carried on, hoping for something good.
Yeah, I think this looks like a perfect place right here. I think if you was a criminal, you'd come running straight over there, you'd throw something in here and you'd run off, you know what I mean? Might as well give it a whirl then, haven't we? Let's hope it doesn't drag me in. Yummy! Weedy, weedy. Only thing I don't like. Oh, there's something. Oh, it fell off. I've got it again. Oh no, I haven't. My feet are right over there. Felt it hit something.
It fell off. The words Adam said were making love, and now he has a child.
Gosh. Oh, we got something. What's that? There's like loads of scrap. Whatever that is. And also...
After about 2 hours of throwing this thing in the river, we were due something good.
I think we've got something. Feels heavy. All this chickweed, man, is full of it. I can't see what we've got. It's heavy, whatever it is. Come on. Oh, I've got it snagged. Snagged. Oh, we've got it. What is it? Mate, what is that? Mate, what is that? Oh my god, it's an axe, mate. What is that? What? Oh my days, mate. That is definitely a murder weapon right there. I swear to that is mental, that, mate. I don't even want this, like, I don't even want to carry this about, man. I know, that's what I mean. Oh, mate, that is more than certainly a murder weapon right there. Oh, man. Solid on there, that. Oh, mate. Can't believe it. I mean, why else would that be in a river? Oh man, I don't want to carry this about with me now. Imagine carrying this about and we get stopped by the police, man. We're getting locked up, aren't we? Getting done for going equipped or a fray or something like that. Wow, that's mental, that. But then, like, I can't exactly, like, leave it here sort of thing because a kid might find it or something, you know what I mean? Let's keep going. One murder weapon down. There has to be more, doesn't there?
I feel like you should put that away now.
Yeah, probably. There's something there, something else there, I can feel it. Wow.
No good.
Right then guys, it wasn't exactly a massive haul, but we got this little bit of scrap metal. We also got that other little bit of scrap metal wherever it's gone. And we found an axe, man. Absolute mental. I cannot believe there's an axe lingering about in these rivers, you know what I mean? I'm going to have to take this with me because obviously I can't just leave it here in case somebody finds it, you know what I mean? A kid finds it or something like that, kill themselves with it. So yeah, I'm going to have to take it with me. But the best thing about it is I've obviously recorded myself finding it sort of thing. So if police do find us or whatever or something like that, we can show them that we actually found it sort of thing. So yeah, man. You could like restore this, couldn't you? And make it look brand new. Love it.
We left this location, murder weapon in tow, and after a quick bite to eat, we decided where we was going to go for the next location.
Where's the next place we're going?
So I've got one more place that we could go, just on the outskirts of York, steeped in history. Hopefully something will be lurking around there. Right then guys, so we're at the final location. This place is called Stamford Bridge, and if you've never heard of this place before, you won't have heard of the Battle of Stamford Bridge, which happened at this exact location almost 1,000 years ago in 1066. And I know what you're thinking, didn't the Battle of Hastings happen that year? Yes it did, but this one happened first. When King Harold got wind of a Norwegian invasion happening in this exact location, he marched all of his men that he could gather 185 miles from London to this exact location in Yorkshire in just 4 days, completely taking the Norwegian army by surprise and ultimately winning this battle. But his luck was short-lived. Just 4 weeks later, on the 14th of October 1066, he marched all of his men from this location to Hastings and lost that battle, unfortunately. So yeah guys, we know that this place is steeped, and I mean steeped, in history, and there's bound to be things lurking about everywhere. So we're going to take this thing, throw it in these rivers and hope for the best. So let's start, shall we? Let's go. Yeah, we'll start literally just near the bridge here. I don't actually know if this bridge is like 1,000 years old, but it must be if it was called the Stamford Bridge back then. I'm just gonna slide. Dodgy that. Right then, let's find some 10th century stuff, shall we? Let's go. That does stink. That's somebody smoking pucker around here, mate. I'm telling you now. There's weeds down there. We don't find out here. We'll go over there. Right under the bridge where like people could have thrown stuff off it and things like that. As we've seen earlier on. All sorts to be had. Not much going on down here. Haven't had one bite. What's that? No.
No good. Oh well. That's definitely 10th century bit of metal right there. That's also a 10th century bit of metal right there.
And this is 10th century mud and grass.
10th century metal. That's not 10th century metal. Nothing. Right, this place not the best. We're gonna go over the other side of the river, fish over the under that bridge sort of thing, see if we can find out over there. Let's go.
Right then guys, so under this the old Stamford Bridge right here, man, 10th century stuff. And let's see if we can find something, shall we? Has to be something lingering about around here. We got something. A nail. That's probably like a sharp, that. 10th century nail.
Definitely something on here. Definitely. Weirdo taking pictures of us. Filming.
I'm watching you.
Scrap. More scaffolding stuff. Scrap. A lot of rubbish around here.
And wasps.
Good. Good. Just going to try over here a bit. Yeah?
Yeah.
If anything, at least we're cleaning the waterway up, making it less polluted.
Oh, this is the shot, Adam. This is the shot.
That good, yeah. Something on here, I swear down. What is it? What have we got? What's that? Some random old piece of metal. Look at that. That's probably like off 10th century boat. Police are here now. Run! Whatever happens, film it all. I didn't do it! An ambulance. Nothing.
After an entire day of magnet fishing, we was about to go home, and then this happened.
There's a shark in the water.
Definitely got something on here. Definitely got something on here. Felt like it got stuck then. What we got? What we got? Probably another piece of scrap. It's covered in it's covered in stuff. What is that? What is that? What is this? I think it's a sword. It's a sword, man, I can't believe it.
Oh my god. 10th century sword, mate.
Is actually?
Look at that, mate. 10th century sword, I can't believe it. Oh my god, mate. Wow, look at that. it's all rusted and all sorts. That is definitely a 10th century sword right there. Look at that, mate, yes!
Ah, okay.
No thing. Look, over there. Oh no, it didn't work. So let's just say you have a criminal. We'll do it again.
Yeah. That's such a good scene, that, mate.
Wouldn't it? It won't sink.
With a wasp. I don't do wasps. Right.